Are you a small YouTuber trying to grow while big channels steal all the views from you? What if I told you being small is actually your secret weapon on YouTube? Today, I'm going to be showing you the 4 hidden advantages small channels have, and advantage big channels cannot touch or steal from you, that can also help you grow faster than you ever imagined. So stay with me on this very video to the end, because the number 3 is something almost no one talks about on this YouTube. Let's dive into the main video. See, as a small channel, the advantage of you being a small channel is that you can experiment without losing millions of views or followers. See, big channels have millions of subscribers, but every single changes they make will risk their views and engagement. But as a small channel that you are, you can try anything, like a different titles, a different thumbnail, different formats, different video style, different unique, and quickly you can see what happens. Just for example, now I know one of a big YouTuber that I do watch his video on this YouTube. The channel name is this particular channel has been uploading YouTube growth videos ever since he got monetized. Just few weeks ago, he's changed to something different from what he usually posts, which is how to make money on YouTube. A channel that normally gets thousands of views within 5 hours was struggling to get 1,000 views in just one day. Did you see? As a big creator with over 89,000 subscribers, just make this little change and it's risking his views. So as a small channel, don't worry, you have an opportunity to try everything possible before you get noticed, so that you will know the particular thing that will actually work for you. So with this thing, small channels can pivot fast, and that agility is a huge advantage for you. The second advantage as a small channel is that you have less competition in your niche. And no matter what niche you are, most big channels should focus on trending videos, trending topics, high volume topic. But as a small channel that we can find smaller niches that are hungry for audience but almost no content. Just for instance, now you create YouTube growth tutorials for small channels that are under 1,000 subscribers. There is less content on that particular topic, so YouTube is more likely to recommend you. You will rank higher, rank faster, and get noticed on YouTube. Just like this very video of mine that I posted Sunday last year, December. That video has been getting me views. Like, I watched that particular video from one creator and I take down the point, take down everything. Now I decided to do it in my own style. So I now add some touches, try to make the video look my own words unique. And guess what? That video was the highest. Like, people were watching that video, views were tripling. As you can see, this video is currently trending, and you can see how many views it has accumulated. Thousands of views. So small channels like you have advantage of trying every single thing that might work. You have an advantage of you pulling out a viral video on your niche. For channels that are maybe up to 1,000 subscribers or less than 500 subscribers, you can start getting noticed. Just like me right now, ever since this particular video has started going viral, my channel has got noticed. So if you have not joined this particular family, what are you waiting for? Then the third thing is the algorithm boosts engagement spikes. Yes, you know, YouTube loves video that gets a lot of engagement quickly. So small channels often have close-knit viewers who watch till the end and comment actively. Now, this signals to YouTube that your content is always available. When you have earlier engagement, YouTube pushes your video. Just like my popular video about YouTube monetization just got easy. People where engagement was tripping in. That was why YouTube were able to push down the video. Just for example, now you uploaded a video about YouTube growth hacks, and maybe 90% of your viewers watched it fully and commented. You know, YouTube will notice that that particular content is very helpful. That was why people were watching it, and they will start recommending it to maybe 5 times more people who want to see that kind of video. So as a small channel, you have chances of making video that can bring engagement on your channel. Yes, get noticed so fast as a small channel. I even know of a small channel that made one particular video of how she got her 1000 subscriber. That particular video was one of her best performing video on her channel. That particular video didn't monetize her yet, but it make her channel to be noticed. Her channel was noticed, and so many small YouTubers are emulating from her. She is one of the channel that people are looking up to. So as a small channel, you have chances of making things work out for you. Okay, then the fourth one, which is the last thing, the advantage you have to rule over big channels, is you have a stronger connection with your audience. See, let me tell you, big channels struggle to connect with every subscribers that commented on their video. They hardly reply because they have seen it that they are big channel, they don't have the chance. But as a small channel, you can personally engage, you can reply to comments and create a community feeling with your audience. When your audience feels seen, maybe you are replying to their problems on the comment, they are likely to watch longer, share your video, and even come back for more. Just for example, now there is one particular video I replied to comments. One of my trendy video, I replied to one of my small channel video, and several views say that they watched the video about 3 to 4 times, and they even share it with friends. I went to my YouTube analytics and saw how many shares I got from that video. That is a powerful small channel, often underestimated. So as a small channel, you don't need to ignore connecting with your audience. That is a way you can help your channel push, and not only uploading videos, going live and all of that. Make your audience feel. All right, so as a small channel, you have all these rights more than big channel. So if you have been thinking being small channel is a disadvantage, now you know it is actually your secret weapon. Yes, it is actually our secret weapon. Use these 4 advantages, experiment it, find your niche, and connect with your viewers personally. If you want more YouTube growth for small channels, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification. I'm posting tips like this every single week. I'm wishing you guys a happy new year 2026. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.